Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video just going to be talking about the trades and what happened today with gold. Uh, Here we have the trades that I had with previous trades. This one was the one that I caught yesterday, about 17 points win. And then this one I had two positions right here. One I actually closed with profit right here, small profit, and then the second one actually took a 1.5% loss. And after stop loss being hit right here, I was expecting price to break above because of this huge momentum that we had here. We ended up pushing down after that. And then today I took this trade. I feel like it was more of a mistake than a trade. I saw 1-2 candles closing bullish. I was expecting also a third candle to push bullish. We ended up rejecting from this area and pushing down. And then of course this is a support. This dotted line right here is a support and resistance line. So I don't really know. I think it was more of a mistake than a trade again. But this would have been a sell, not a buy, right? And then price pushed lower with a 1-2 candle pushing lower. And then right here I entered for a position later. And then ended up catching, this was actually a this was actually a close to 3% trade right here. The risk reward wasn't that great as well. If I look at it, it was a 1.5 risk to reward. And now we're just sitting basically on this area right here. What I'm expecting really is a push to the upside. I really think we should push to the upside. We have a very low point in the market, and then we're creating what it looks like higher lows. On this right here is a retest on this previous higher low, and that's the only reason I entered for the trade, is because I actually had two positions right here, one lower, but it didn't get activated, so only one got activated and then pushed higher, and then I closed right over here. But the reason why I think we should push higher is because of this whole resistance that we've been having with the sellers, right? So there's a huge fight going on with buyers and sellers. We push higher, go lower, push higher, go lower, push higher, go lower. So in my eyes, I'm looking for buys because I believe we should push higher. And my goal is to first reach the 4600s, and I've been saying this for a couple of videos. All right, so if I see some good momentum, I am willing to hold the trade until we reach here, and of course re-enter once I see multiple opportunities. Like this right here, I re-entered. This was a wrong trade, and then I re-entered it again, and of course already closed it with about close to 3% profit. But with these two right here, I just ended up the day at break even. All right, so this is what happened today. And then again, if we look at like the 4-hour time frame, which is a higher time frame, we see there's wicks right here, wicks right here, and then the daily time frame, we are holding up this level of support. So I really hope we can push higher, but again, it doesn't depend on my hope, doesn't depend on me. And yeah, just looking to catch this opportunity. And I have buy orders right down here and also right down here. So if we break this area here, probably get stopped out for about 1.5 to 2% loss if I get stopped out here. But again, this what happened today was just exactly what I was hoping that would happen. We reversed from this area. Then I also have buys right down, like down here, this area, like limit buys, right? If we get a touch, a wick down like this, I'm willing to get activated, and then of course run the trade all the way to the 4600s. All right, so quick video today, break even day, but still happy for the week, except for this mass right here that I made a video about, which was my terrible lot size. This made me very, very upset. All right, but of course can't be that emotional in the market, so just looking to make the best trades possible. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button down below, comment down below also what you think of these past trades, and of course subscribe for more videos like this.